Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Furqan Nazir. I am from National Innovations Public School and I am here to deliver a presentation on the topic Chandrayaan 3. First of all, before starting my topic, I would like to thank the school authorities for giving me a chance to give a presentation on this topic. Before discussing our main topic, I would like to discuss some few previous missions of ISRO. ISRO means Indian Space Research Organization. The first mission of ISRO was Chandrayaan first, which was launched in 2008. ISRO was a breakthrough as it discovered water on the surface of the moon. The second mission after Chandrayaan first was Chandrayaan second, which was launched in 2019. The 2019 mission was designed in a special way. It was designed with a lander called Vikram, an orbiter called Pragyan, Before discussing Chandrayaan second, I would like to tell you that Chandrayaan second was failed because it lost contact with the scientists and it did not land on the surface of the moon according to the plan. The scientists didn't stop here and they continued their journey and launched Chandrayaan 3. On 14th July 2023, they launched Chandrayaan 3 through LVM-3. It's a powerful heavy lift rocket which was made by the scientists before making the Chandrayaan 3. The Chandrayaan 3 was launched through this LVM-3 from the Sriharikota area of Andhra Pradesh. It is a space craft which is very specifically designed and in a very low budget. The Chandrayaan 3 landed on the moon on 23 August 2023 after covering a distance for 41 days. After 41 days, it reached the surface of the moon. As it reached very gently and smoothly, we call that it smoothly landed on the surface of moon. It is called as soft landing. Other nations like China, USA, Soviet Union also launched robotic crafts to the moon. But this landing is very important because it landed on the south pole of the moon. It's a spot which has never ever been touched before. Never ever been touched. No one has reached south pole of the moon before Chandrayaan 3. It is the first spacecraft to land there. After landing on the Chandrayaan 3, the Chandrayaan 3 waited for the lunar dust to settle down and then the rover Pragyan rolled out from the lander and it walked on the surface of the moon. On the surface of the moon, it studied the presence of the elements on the south pole of the moon. There was oxygen, aluminium, calcium, sulfur. The most important metal among these all is sulfur. The presence of sulfur is very uncommon and it has a great significance. The presence of sulfur suggests that there is ice water present on the surface of moon. It's a very critical factor because it is very important for the future missions and also it is important for the human settlement on the moon. The Chandrayaan 3 also observed on the moon that there is a temperature drop from 50 degrees Celsius on the surface of the moon and minus 10 degrees Celsius just below 80 millimeters. The Pragyan 3 is still on the moon and we are waiting for the further results. This was all about my presentation. Thank you and have a nice day.